Hello everybody, I am KV and look this track. Welcome to my hobby, I'm chubby, swimming through the fish, look the drip, not groovy. Fish talking to the tank, look blink. Casting rhyme like a hook, like a blazing swing. DJ, stop this track and I show you 5 fun facts for the fishes and fishes. First fish fact. Um, fish can sleep because they don't have islands, but they still rest and slow down. Poo, poo. Some fish can change their sex. You know the clownfish, Nemo. Maybe we find Nemo one day, which can become female if there is no other female around. They change the sex. Uh, Maybe it's normal. 21st century. 3. Goldfish can remember think for month. I don't remember one day, but goldfish remember months. They can learn to know their owner and feeding time. Man too. I love my wife. Some fish can glow in the dark. Look these shorts. This is called bioluminescence and helps them find food or talk to other fish. Amazing. Fish breathe in the water. They use gills, take oxygen for the water, like we use lungs to take air for air, air for air. Nonsense, maybe. I don't know. Thank you. Please subscribe and like.